One POS, endless options.
Be the optimal POS solution for your business.
Hi Roxy, is it difficult to install the dual screen?
Easy. Just slap on our second display module. Done in 10 seconds.
What if I need a horizontal screen for ads?
Just turn it. The heavy-duty aluminum hinge rotates smoothly. No tools needed. What if I don't want your built-in printer and scanner? Can I use my own?
Of course. Grab our standard pure aluminum base with plenty of industrial ports. Your own devices will plug and play instantly.
What if the hard drive fails overseas? Is it hard to fix?
3 seconds. Slide the old SSD out. Slide the new one in. Anybody can do it. One premium aluminum body. Endless configurations. Build the perfect POS for your clients.
Visit TaixunPOS.com and get your factory direct code today.